Hello everyone. In this video we will be finding the area and the perimeter in the same figure. In this example we gave you equal squares, okay? The sides are equal and the area of each square is the same as the other, 1 square unit, okay? So here, what is the area? Remember, we're gonna count the boxes in this example. Later on, we will be taking different figures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6 square units. So the area is 6 square units. The perimeter, we're gonna count the edges of the square around the figure. As we said, each side is equal to the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The perimeter, 12 units. Find the area. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. Another 3 will give me 6. Here we have 4. 6 and 4 is 10. The perimeter, we're gonna move around the figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 units. I want you to pause the video before I show you the answer. Try to find the area, then find the perimeter. Check your answer. So you can pause now the video. I hope you worked it out. The area is 13 square units, the perimeter 16 units. Try again for letter D. Pause the video. Remember, the squares are all equal. So the area is 10 square units. I have 10 squares. The perimeter is 22. We moved around the figure. Thank you.